friends, welcome back. I'm Heather, and today I'm going to bring you through a 10-minute body burn workout. Maybe you're familiar with my 10-minute yoga burn workouts, where we have a focus on yoga, 10 minutes of body weight, amazing burn workout. Well, we're not really doing yoga exercises today. We're going to be building strength. We're going to be raising that heart rate all in 10 minutes. All you need is your mat, your excitement, and if you are ready, let's get right into our workout. Since it's only a 10-minute workout, we're gonna get straight into warming up and working out at the same time. So come to the back of your mat, reach your arms up tall, and then walk your hands out, find a plank, and then walk it back. This is your warm up here. Walk out, but don't worry, they are gonna increase to even more of a workout. Keep going. Walk it out, hold, and then bring it back. One more time, let's walk it out, and bring it back. Okay, reach it up. Hands on your hips. We're gonna step forward, lunge and back. Lunge and back. Now, the forward stepping lunge is a little bit different than a backward stepping lunge. We wanna ensure that we're taking a big enough step forward that our knee is right over top of our ankle. I find it's easier with a backward stepping lunge. So if you're new to forward stepping lunges, just have that be your goal. Big step, and then push to the heel. Big step, and then push to the heel. Keep going, and back. Nice. We've got a few more. 4 more. Bring it back. 3. Good, and 2. All right, back to those walking out. Reach. Walk it out. This one out of push-up. Bring it down, and then bring it up. Friend, we're gonna step 1 foot forward, back, other foot. Good, reach it up, bring it back. Nice, lower and rise. You can always do that push-up on your knees as opposed to your toes. Let's do this through 2 more times. Bring it down. We're gonna continue adding on to this. Keep going. Step, 1 more. Nice, all right, reach it up. Bring it down, walk it out, lower, rise, and step, step. Good. All right, you're gonna step towards me, turn to the front. We're gonna go out and in. Bend both knees here, so it's a nice wide squat. Out and up, out and up. Now, we're calling it a body burn. So when we're gonna bring some burn, that means we're gonna focus on some isometric holds. Are you ready for it? This next one, hold it out to the side. Hold and pulse, right here. If you look down, your toes and your knees are turned out, and we're nice and low. Hands are reaching forward, one on top of the other. Lift your heel. Oh yes, bring in that beautiful burn. 4 more here, 3, 2, switch your other foot. And pulse. Quads are firing up. Keep your chest lifted here. I like the hands reaching forward as a reminder to stay lifted. 4 more pulses. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Step up. Step it back from the top. Reach. We're gonna add on. Walk it out. Show me a push-up. And then mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Another push-up. And then bring it back. Let's lunge and lunge. Do it again. Walk it. Reach. Walk it up. 1 push-up. Remember your option is here. Mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. Walk it back. And lunge. We got 2. Nice. Let's go through that 2 more times. Reach. Bring it back. Lower. Mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. Bring it back. Let's lunge. How many more times? 1 more time through it. Here we go. Reach it up. Walk it out. Push up. Mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. Bring it back. Lunge. Step forward. And other foot. Good. From here, come out. This time your hands are coming in. Now, I'm gonna give you the option to stay here, or if you wanna pick it up, we can pick up that tempo. Can we go a little faster? Switch those sides. Okay, keep going. Can you stay low? Yes, yes, we can. Nice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold that last one. Hold and pulse. Reach those hands here. Burn, baby, burn. Woo! We are halfway through. Are you warm? Yes, yes, I hope so. Lift this heel. Keep pulsing. Right there, chest is up. Abs are embraced. 4, 3, 2, and switch. Pulse. You can always keep those heels down, but I know you can lift them for a little bit. What about 4 more pulses? 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in. Come to the back. We're adding on. Up. Walking forward. 1 push up. Mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. Let's add. Rotate and rotate. Bring it back. Are you ready to lunge? Here we go. Forward and other. Use your hands. Walk it. Push up. Mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. Rotate. Open and open. Bring it back. Let's lunge. Oh yes. Guess what? We're gonna do this 2 more times. I almost said 1, but I don't want to cheat you. You're here for it. Mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. Open up. Reach. Other direction. Good. Walk it back. Find that forward stepping lunge. Forward. And again. Last time. Reach it up. Walk it. Tricep push up. Good. Mountain climber. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower. Let's open. Side. And other side. Walk it back. Find that lunge. Just 2. Good. Okay. Side squat. Step to the front. Here we go. Out. In. Out. In. All right, we're starting slow. Do you know where it's gonna go? Are you ready? Let's pick up that tempo. Here we go. A little hop, hop, hop. Now, can you go faster? Hands move a little quicker. Stay with it. Nice. We're taking more weight to that foot that is staying here. That outside foot is just helping with balance. Sit your hips down and back. Keep going, keep going. Stay in it. Breathe. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold, pulse. Hand on top of hand. Breathe. Woo! Oh, the burn's there. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. Lift your heel, pulse. Breathe. Oh, tell yourself right now, you can do anything for 10 minutes, right? Yes, you can. Switch. Pulse on the other. Good. Do you feel those inner thighs? Core as you stay lifted. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it in. Backward stepping lunge. Back, back. Now, it's almost as if we're running here. We're stepping up and we're quickly stepping back. Fast. Now, option, go slower. We are finishing our burner here. And you're almost there. Good. Keep going. Breathe. Hands move. Can you go a little faster? With good form. That means big step. That knee stays over the foot. Your abs are braced. We're not rounded. We're nice and lifted. Keep moving. Keep moving. Almost there. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, got it. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up and squat. Up and squat. Lift and down. Yes, flush those legs out here. Down. 8 more. This is it. 7. You've got it. Reach. And 5. Down. 4. 3. Beautiful work. 2. And 1. Good job. Whew. That was fun, wasn't it? My version of fun. I hope it's your version of fun too. Shake out your legs a little bit. Roll the shoulders. We're gonna do a super quick stretch. Go hold your ankle. So you wanna bring that in towards the heel. Chest is up. Knees are close together, one another. Let's reach the other arm out while we're at it. Good work. How do you feel? $1,000,000. 10 minutes of movement makes such a difference in your day. Let that go. Do you feel a little more energized? That's my goal. My goal is that you don't feel depleted, but that you feel stronger and more energized and more happy. Always the goal with movement. Keep that chest open. Nice. Release that down. Step out nice and wide. Find a big breath in. Let that breath out. Do that one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Good work. Roll those shoulders. Friends, thank you so much for being here. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you liked our new 10-minute body burn workout. Remember, we've got some great yoga burn workouts. If you love a 10-minute body weight movement workout, check those out as well. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys at the next workout.